Hello, friend and tutor. In this opportunity, I want to tell you of my trip in Barranquilla. The last weekend, I went to Barranquilla. I stayed there 3 days. I like because it's very cheap and the cultural activity are wonderful. I went to the city movie and the Stadium Metropolitano. I see to play to Junior Barranquilla. Too, I went to the beach in Puerto Colombia and enjoying the seafood. I like the seafood. It's my favorite food. Okay, my friend, I want to tell you too a short description of the weather. The weather in Barranquilla is a tropical climate where its climate is influenced by the winds that blow between of River Magdalena and Sierra Nevada. In Barranquilla, the rain season occurs in October. It's very important to tell this Puerto Colombia is the first port in the country, very important in the history of our country. I want to tell you too one recommendation. Please visit the malls, visit Puerto Colombia, visit the Paseo Bolivar, and the most important recommendation, enjoy the very most funny and most important in Colombia. You know which is? It's the Carnival of Barranquilla. It's most important party of Colombia. Carnival of Barranquilla. I'm telling you, I'm very upbeat. Visit Barranquilla Carnival, visit the stadium, enjoy the gastronomy. It's very beautiful place in the country is Barranquilla. Bye bye.